Hello everyone, let's continue and understand few more important commands which can be used to administer your Linux box. So the next command is cd that we have already understand in the last lecture. Cd means change directory and which can be used to move between directories. The next command is your ls command, list files and directories. So we usually this command to see the content of any directory and files. That also we have understand in the last lecture. The next command is your less command. Less is very efficient while viewing huge log files, as it doesn't need to load the full file while opening. So friends, whenever we need to open any file, we always prefer to use cat command. Simple cat and the name of the file. It will open that file and you can see whatever the content of that file. So suppose in that file we have 100 of lines or 50 pages are there. You have simple file cat and the name of file. So whatever the content will be there, it will immediately open in one go. First page, second page, and it will immediately come to the last page. You won't be able to see what are the contents at the first page. So for that we always prefer to use few more options with the cat command, that is less. So let me show you. So I am in this location and let me see what are the files we have. So em.log. Suppose there is a file. I am going to view the content of this file. Don't be confused with ls. ls is command to see what are the files we have, and in that file if I want to see what is the content we have in that file, we always prefer use cat and em, the file name. So if I am simple fire this command, what will happen? Whatever the content we have in that file, it will come in one go. Suppose there were 5 pages, so you can see only the last page. The first 4 pages you won't be able to see because it immediately come in your screen. So that's why you are not able to capture all those things. So how we can view it? So you have to use some more options with cat, that is pipe less. This is one way, or you can simply use this as well, this command. So both the command, the cat em, pipe and less, and this less, both are same command. Okay, now the first page has come now. If you press enter, the next line will come. You can see that I am pressing enter, the next line is coming. If you are pressing spacebar, the next page will come. Enter. So this is very important command, that is less command. So here you have to make sure while pressing enter or spacebar. If you are simply pressing enter, the next line will come, and if you are pressing spacebar, the next page will come. So that is your less command. The next command is your date command. The date command is helpful to display date in several formats. It allows you to set to system date and time as well. So it's very simple. Go and fire the date command. It will list out you what is the current date as well. If you want to change, you can change the date command, your date as well. How we can do that? Simple use man and date. So all the options will come here. So man is for the manuals. So if you want to know about any command, so you can use manuals, that is man and the command name. So whatever the information we have with that command, you can see with that manuals. Okay, here you can see the description, your synopsis, what are the options we have, everything is showing here. The next command is the copy command. So copy is used to copy the files and directory from one location to another location. So that's an important command. So let's do some practice on that. So I'm changing my directory from this location to temp. Okay, I'm here now. Now I want to, first of all, I'm going to create few files here. So one file is already there, test. I'm going to create one more file, that is test123. So 2 files I have, this test and test123. You can use this way as well. lsf and ltr, you can specify the file name as well. Okay, so let me put few contents. So vi is the command which can be used to put some content on that. I press I just for the insert mode. This is a test file. Like this way I am putting some content on this as well. So 2 files I have created. Okay, now I want to copy this file, test file, to some other location. So I can use copy test and I can put it to some other location. Like suppose I want to put it in this location. So what will happen? I am in this location. I have simple file copy test. Test is a file which is placed in temp location and it would be placed in this location. If I want to see whether it has been copied or not, first I have to go to this location and I can check with this command. You can see that file has been copied now. Okay. Suppose my file, this test, I want to suppose some permissions is there, some different permissions are there. Like as of now you can see that this file is having this permission. I'm not going to discuss what are the permissions here, that we will discuss later. So I want that while copying my file from one location to another location, it should retain the permission, whatever the permissions we have in this file at this location. So once it will be copied to other location, the permission should not be changed. It should retain the permission. So, or you can say it should preserve the permission. So for that you can use this copy -p and then you can push test123 and you can put it some other location. So like this way the permission, the ownership, this is the ownership, will not be changed here. Okay. So for that you can simply use p. I'm going to create a directory. For that we have the command mkdir and I'm just giving dir. So this directory has been created with simple command mkdir. So here you can see that this directory has been created. Let me go inside. If you want to go inside, cd directory. Now I am this location. You can see that it has been changed from /temp to /temp_dir. Now I am going to create few files. Touch is the command which will create an empty file. So 2 files I have created here. Okay, that is in location, this location. So ABC and BCD are 2 files which has been placed in /temp/dir. A step back. This command will take you a step back or a step back. Now you can see that it was this location. Now it has been changed to this. Okay. Now I am in this location. This dir is a directory which is having 2 files, that is ABC and BCD. Now I am going to copy this directory from this to destination. My destination is this one. First you have to give the source and then destination. It is showing that omitting directory because this directory is having some content. If a directory is having some content, you have to use some option with copy command. So what is that option? You have to use R. R is for recursively. Then only it will copy it. Now you can see that this directory has been copied into this location. This dir has been copied here. If I want to go inside, I'm in this location. You can see the location, this one, and 2 files which I have created, it is showing there. So friend, that's all for this lecture. Hope you have understand how we can use different commands. So a lot of more lectures, a lot of more commands that we have to discuss in the later lectures. So that's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching, and if you have time, please join with me in the next lecture.